How to hide apps using the iPhone Hidden Apps feature. If you want to hide an app and keep it protected with Face ID, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, locate the app you want to hide on your home screen or in the app library. Next, press and hold the app icon until the Quick Actions menu appears. Now, tap Require Face ID. From the available options, select Hide and Require Face ID. Tap Hide App to confirm, then authenticate with Face ID when prompted. The app will be removed from your home screen and placed in the Hidden folder inside the app library. To access the hidden app later, open the app library, scroll to the bottom, tap Hide, and authenticate with Face ID. From there, you can open the app or remove it from the hidden folder if you no longer want it hiding. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.